Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are looking at Bitcoin on a daily time frame. As you can see, yesterday we did open and close right on support, but then the next candle actually is under the 9 EMA. So the risk is there today of actually going and testing lower into 20,050-ish. Losing that layer of support, you have that 19.6, 19.7 layer of golden pocket, and losing that, you have much lower targets. So today is Fed FMOC interest rate news coming out at 2 p.m. Eastern. Please pay attention. There will be volatility. If anything, you can pop down, take that liquidity, and then pop right back up. So be careful. Or we'll pop up, take that liquidity, and then just dump down to heck it. So either way, be ready. Let me pull up these targets. 20,800 is resistance to top side. Support is this 20,050. And then after that is the 19.6, 19.7 golden pocket. Losing this level, just assume we're going to flush straight down to 17.6 and under, guys. There's no more BSing this. If you can't hold this level, you are going to steal the rest of this liquidity to the downside. And then the fun comes to those lower targets that everyone forgot about, thinking we can't go down there. Well, no, we can, and we might. We probably will. So get ready. Um, Let me go to a quick 4 hour. On the 4 hour chart, let's see if we see anything different. Well, volume is coming down to lackluster, and we did come to a top, and now we're going sideways. So if we can get 4 hour open and close above 20,500, we can look for the resistance again at 20,800. But if we can't get above 20,500, naturally we'll be looking for our support lower at 19,007, 19,008. But just keep that in mind on Bitcoin, guys. There's no more playing around. Today is going to be a big move one way or the other. This is a higher low. So technically we should be breaking up to take the liquidity first and then roll down. Kind of a head and shoulder situation. Did I have that drawn? This is what I'm looking at right now. One of these. Then come up to my level. Then reject. Come down. So be careful for that liquidity to grab up to 21,006 to 21,800 and then just flush on down. Let me take this picture. Save it for the members. So we have something to get. Blue trade setups. That's even better. Boom. All right, so now let's go look at a daily on Ethereum. I was in a short. I just closed my short on Ethereum, about 190% profit, and I posted it. My short was from 1580 last night to 1549, and it was 100x, 194% profit. Not bad. Okay, back to Ethereum, and I did close my short, and I opened a long over there. So now I'm going to ride that up a little bit. So I took my long at 150. So I'm just like $1 in profit, and I will probably be getting it out near 165-ish, like 160, 165. I'll let it pass. So going to the daily here, what I'm looking for is if we're actually going to break down to the 1500 level of support. Losing that 1500 on any time frame today, we're going to be gunning for that 1450 to 1420 level. So keep that in mind for the downside. If we go to the upside, we're looking for that 1760 level. And once claimed, we can go higher to 2060. So that's what we're looking for upside. If I turn on the indicators, 1600 is huge resistance to upside, and then 1230 is support. But before 1230 is 1575. So we're looking at we're under 1575 already. So technically the shorts are in favor. We have 1540 as a layer of support. After 1540, you have what I was saying is that 1500, And from 1500, you have this 1450 level, and then after that, it's going to 1200. So level by level by level is what I would highly suggest. Turn those off. Let's go to the 4 hour. Volume is coming to a standstill as we're getting to the top. That is very bearish divergence volume. Yeah, I would expect like a test to the 200. So here's 1450 is where I'm expecting it. It kind of looks like a head and shoulder anyway. Measured move to that would be coming to here anyway, like 1440, 1430. And then from there, we can look if we're going to go up or if we're going to break down support from there. Alrighty. So yeah, that's Ethereum for you guys. I can turn on these indicators if you want to quickly look. So yeah, if we, I will, same thing I did. The same thing I see on Bitcoin is what I'm seeing here. I think we're going to pop this up, take that liquidity, and then come down and hurt the people. There's no reason to just go down. It can go down, but it's going to probably pop right back up. I'm pretty sure that liquidity is going to get grabbed. 1 second, guys. I'm trying to share this with the members. So keep that in mind in the future for membership. You will be having all of this saved so you don't have to refer back to the videos. Also, guys, today after 8 o'clock, I will be doing a live trading session where I will have my charts going on. I'll explain to you guys what I'm doing, and I'll be trading on my cell phone. So if you guys are interested, please feel free to join. It will be happening on my Discord server today at 8:15, 8:30 sharp. If you do not have the invitation to the Discord server, please feel free to look in the description of this video and you will find a link to the Discord server and it will be one of the events pinned. So yeah, that will be fun. If you're available to come, we can trade together and see how we do. On the 4 hour, as I was saying on Ethereum, back to that, we're on the 55 for support. So this is where we don't want to go under, okay? If we go under 1500, it's an issue. So as long as we're holding 1500 and going sideways, we can look for higher. If we do break down the last layer of support, like I said, it was around the 1440 to 1430. After that, it's just we're looking for downside. So just be very cautious and very wary of that. Now let's go to a daily on DX. There we go. And Dixie is doing decent. We popped up yesterday, did a little of a doji evening star or whatever, and we are finding some support at 1114, 1115. What we need to do is go sideways and up. This last candle rejection off of the 21 is pretty mean. Kind of looks like downside is possible. But if we can't close under this candle and we go sideways, this candle is just a quick liquidity grab for higher. All right. Let me turn on the indicators. So as we can see, we are above the midline. We are on top of our EMA. We are fighting 1157.2. Today is the day more than likely we can break up or down depending on the news. If we raise by 0.7, we're going to go down. If we raise by 0.5, we can go sideways. If we don't do anything, we can go up. And also whatever the future their prediction is on what they're going to do. So all those things were very, very, very important. So keep those all in mind moving forward today. What else can we say? That's basically it, guys. I don't see anything else. Oh, let's do a quick altcoin. I think we're gonna do Link for my boys and members. Where is Link? I can find it. Ooh, I should have did Doge. You guys are going crazy for Doge. Here's Link on a daily time frame, no indicators. As you can see, we are above support. So this is good. This huge wick was a nasty liquidity grab. But the fact that we're bouncing on support does give me the inkling that we're going to $9. I don't think that this is done and out yet. As long as we go sideways above this 766, it is more than likely we're going higher, in my opinion. Okay, more than likely we will go higher. Only thing that will be different is if the market actually punishes the longs today, then there's nothing I can do about that. It's completely dependent on the Fed's decision. So, yeah, I do think we can get to that 851 and a little bit higher maybe. So that's why we had this extension here. That's literally playing out. So, yeah, let's see how Link plays out in the long run. We check the volume. Volume wise, it does look like you're going to poke up. This looks like it's got support here. It looks like a head and shoulder here, right? The only way this head and shoulder is going to fail is if the market actually does drop. And I don't know if it's dropping or not, depending on what the Fed says. So we just have to wait and look for if it comes into our level of support. Ooh, I just took some profit on my ETH long. Okay. Sorry about that. All right, so that's basically it, guys. Don't forget today we're gonna be trading live after 8. Feel free to join me for a while. Aside from that, if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications if you haven't already. And if you have any other questions or any other assets you would like to cover, please leave it in the section below. I will get back to you. And then, yeah, if anything else, just feel free to leave it in the comment section below and I will respond accordingly. Thank you so much, guys, for being here and participating. Really means the world to me. I will see you guys later today and provide as much value as I can. Also, last thing, this does look like it's bouncing on support, so don't get too bearish. This cross that occurred, that's I get it, but don't get too bearish. I already took my long scalp because these are all lower highs. So I have a suspicion we poke up higher and then come back down. All right. Have a good day. Talk to you soon.